Hey everyone, welcome to Quick Tips, where you ask the question and we answer. Carsten from Germany asked, what are these reflectors for and how to mount them? These reflectors came with the previous model of our MotoBags. Let me show you how to install them. So the reflectors really fit on the MotoBags on the outside, on the back and on the front, and all you have to do is open the Velcro, push them through the molar system, put them together, and there you have it. Our new accessory bags already have a reflective strip installed, but what you can do is, for that little bit of extra safety, just take it off your bag and mount it on your accessory bag for improved visibility. So that's it from me today, guys. If you have any more questions, just visit our website lonerider-motorcycle.com. There you find tons of information on all of our products. Until next time, bye.